So prime factorisation gives you a tree. You can use a tree to work it out, and the 100 at the bottom would equal 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5. If I want that in index form, this is 2 squared multiplied by 5 squared. Okay, so on a non-calculator paper, this is a reminder of what you'd have to do. But if it's a calculator paper, there is a little trick. I put in 100. I click on equals, and it sits on the answer line. If it's a Casio calculator and there are a few others, you can click shift and then this button just here. It says the word fact in yellow above it. And I click on that fact button and I get the factorisation of 100 in index form straight away. So it might be a 1 or a 2 mark question. Probably a 1 mark question on a calculator paper, but and a non-calculator paper you couldn't use your calculator for anyway. But if you need to work it out, or maybe you're revising and you want to check the answer, then your calculator is your friend.